afraid to fail and fail forward. Failing is a great way to learn.
Graduates may please be seated.
Ay, kala ko ihahagis na yun.
We shall now proceed with the award of diplomas and academic awards.